Hi everyone, Happy New Year and welcome back to the channel. So I'm back in the kitchen, and this weekend, 9 years after I put up my first baking video here on the channel, how to make a white bread loaf from scratch, I'll be going back to baking and making two things this weekend, both from the Paul Hollywood How to Bake book, which I got for Christmas a few years ago. Which is right here. Some great recipes in here, and two recipes I've handpicked from this book. One which I've made already, which is an olive, onion and coriander loaf. That's delicious. That'll be being made this weekend. And also some sausage rolls with a rough puff pastry, sausage meat, caramelised onion chutney and all kinds of lovely stuff. So I'll be making those, giving those a try, and I'll be documenting each make for the channel, so hopefully give you some more ideas of things that you can make in your kitchen at home. So if you'd like to see the ingredients, then here we go. So I've just come back from the supermarket and picked up a few bits and pieces for the recipes from the book. So we've got some sausage meat, we've got some lemon, we've got unsalted butter, we've got some olives, an onion, some dried yeast, very important. Using lots of this in upcoming videos. We've got red onion, caramelised onion chutney, strong white bread flour from Allinson's, some plain flour because we need that for the sausage rolls. We've got some thyme and some coriander and some nigella seeds, cumin seeds, some poppy seeds. I'm adding those because I like those, and some pepper to go along with the other ingredients that I already have at home. So there we go. So those are the ingredients. You've seen the cookbook, the recipes inside, and do hit that subscribe button to catch the videos when we make those recipes and bring them to you here on the YouTube channel. And if you want to see what happened when I made a white bread loaf from scratch all those years ago, and the first video here on the channel with over 100,000 views, do press the link, and I apologise in advance for the background music. It is absolutely shocking, but don't let that put you off. All right. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe and catch the next bakes, which will be the next videos here on Bedwell's Kitchen. Have a great weekend, and I will see you on the other side.